Question 1. If 2x plus 7 divided by 3 equals t and t equals 5, what is the value of x? So for this one, we're going to substitute t into the equation. So we have 2x plus 7 over 3 equals 5. Now we're just going to solve for x. This should be an easy thing to solve. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3. And this leaves us with 2x plus 7 equals 15. Now we're going to subtract 7 from both sides, which gives us 2x. Oops, sorry, my bad. 2x equals 8. And now simply divide both sides by 2, canceling the 2 on this side, and we get x equals 4. Question 2. For I equals the square root of negative 1, what is the value of the expression 5i minus 1 minus 4 plus 3i? So the only tricky part about this is that you have to remember that I is taken as a variable here, and you have to treat it as such. So we're going to distribute the negative through this parenthesis, which leaves us with 5i minus 1 plus negative 4 minus 3i. Now, since we're simply adding parentheses, we can drop the parentheses entirely and get 5i minus 1 minus 4 minus 3i. And now, like I said before, we treat I as a variable, and this just gives us, let's see, 5i minus 3i is 2i. Negative 1 minus 4 is minus 5, and this is the simplified expression. Question 3. Find the solution xy to the system of equations 4x plus 7y equals negative 32 and 5x minus 3y equals negative 40. So there are a bunch of ways to solve problems like this, but what we're going to do is we're going to solve for one variable, substitute it into the other equation, find the value of that variable, and then we'll use that to find the other variable. So I'll just kind of show you what I mean. We're going to use 5x minus 3y equals negative 40. Now we're going to find this in terms of x. So we're going to add 3y to both sides to get 5x equals 3y minus 40. Now we're going to divide both sides by 5. We'll get x is equal to 3/5 y minus 8. And now we're going to take this value right here, and we're going to substitute it into our other equation. So we have 4x plus 7y equals negative 32. We're going to take the x value and substitute it in. So we have 4 times 3/5 y minus 8 equals negative 32. Distributing the 4 through, we'll get 12 over 15. Oops, sorry about that. 12 over 15 y minus 32 equals negative 32. We'll add 32 to both sides, and we'll get 12/15 y equals 0. Now, since this equals 0 and there's no other terms, we know that y equals 0. And now we can take this and solve for x. So we'll use the other equation again. We'll use 4x plus 7y equals negative 32. We'll substitute y equals 7 or y equals 0 in. We'll get 4x plus 0, right? Because 7 times 0 is 0, equals negative 32. And now dividing 4 by both sides, we'll get x equals negative 8. So the terms, or our solution in xy coordinates, is negative 8, 0. Thanks for watching.